In this example, we're asked to multiply fractions. To multiply fractions, you have to multiply the numerators and also multiply the denominators. Because it wants the answer in the simplest form, we'll then have to simplify it. You may have already done problems where you had to simplify a fraction. So, to multiply the numbers on the top, we take 3 times 4, which is 12, divided by 4 times 7, which is 28. Because both fractions are negative, the overall answer must be positive. However, 12 over 28 is not the answer that we can input into the system because it wants it in the simplest form. And there's a common factor between 12 and 28, which is 4. So if we divide both the top and the bottom by 4, we have 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. And we have 28 divided by 4, which is equal to 7. So when we multiply these two fractions, we get positive 3/7 as our answer. The problem below looks a little bit different, but it's actually exactly the same. Instead of thinking of -6 as just a whole number, we can write it as a fraction. To write a whole number as a fraction, you simply divide it by 1. Now you repeat the exact same process. We multiply the tops, 6 times 5, which is 30, divided by 3 times 1, which is 3. In this case, both the fractions are again negative, so our overall answer is going to be positive. In this case, you can see though that 3 goes into 30 evenly 10 times. So the answer here is simply 10 in the simplest form.